Hello guys, today I am show you how to configure Yum repository in your local virtual machine. First of all, you need to go devices and optical drives and add your ISO file. Okay, so I am already added. So I am go to my virtual machine and open the files. So this is my ISO. Okay, and this folder contains some packages like Firefox, Abaddon. Okay, so I don't know how many packages it contain, but it contain some packages. So okay, and base OS it's also contains some packages. Okay, so I am configured two folders. So DC. This is a location guide. It's contain the configuration file of Yum. The extension is .repo. Okay, so I am creating one file dirhgl.repo. Okay, the extension is repo. Okay, this file contain four fields. First is a repo id. Okay, so I am giving the repo id is rhl1, and second field contain name. Okay, I am giving my repo name, rhl1, and third field contain base url. Okay guys, so I am giving the base url. How to find base url? So guys, go to the files and app stream. Okay, so properties, and this is location of the folder. Okay, so copy and paste it. Okay, and the folder name is app stream. Okay, this is a file. So guys, I am giving the base url. So my yum command go to this location and find the software and download it. Gpg check goes to 0. Okay, and okay guys, so the base os also contain some software, so I am also configuring. So repo id rhgl2, uh, name equals to. So guys, I think I'm giving the name. Okay, so base os. Okay, uh, this is a string. Okay, base url equals to, copy it and paste it. The folder name is base os, and gpg 0. Gpg equals to 0. It's not check any key. Okay, so I am put gpg check equals to 0 and save it. Colon wq escape and colon wq. And after saying I am run yum repo list, yum update command. Okay, base OS and this is guys somehow okay, app stream and base OS. So this is configured guys. Okay, so I am down try to download Firefox. So yum, guys, Firefox is already downloaded in my system, so you can also check it. Yum repo list. So it's giving the repo ID. Okay, it's giving me all my repo, repository configured in my RHEL system. So